match my water bottle. Morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's 8:30 a.m., which is a little bit earlier than I usually wake up. I'm trying to fix my whole sleep schedule. A big thanks to OGX for sponsoring this video. I thought it'd be fun to change up my videos from the whole craziness and just do a day at home. Today's a Tuesday, it's June 30th, which is so crazy. Within the past like 4 months, the month either didn't exist and it flew by so fast, or it felt like a whole year long. And that means this year's almost halfway over. Wait, that's insane. What the heck? Peace out, 2020. I'm going to work out. I haven't worked out in, I want to say 2 days, so I need to do that. I don't really want to, but we're gonna do it. So if you need motivation to do your workout, here it is. My new thing has been going on runs, which a few weeks ago I would have rather had to cut off my big toe than go on a run, but I had to return my stationary bike back to the studio that I was renting it from, so running it is. And I kind of enjoy it now, to be honest. So I had that little piece of toast just to hold me over, and then I'll eat like a bigger breakfast after. It's time. It's gotta be done. I'm gonna stretch first because I've made the mistake of not stretching first, and then I was just wrecked for days after. So I'm gonna stretch and then we'll get going. Today's goal is to do 2 miles. I'll let myself walk a little bit if I need to, but as little as possible. I'm on the final hill. I started walking because I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. I just got back. I'm so sweaty. I thought it was gonna be a gloomy day. It wasn't. It was super sunny. So yeah, didn't pass out from heat stroke, so that's good. I'm probably gonna sit out here for a minute, then stretch, make some breakfast. So I just ate breakfast. I'll probably eat a little bit more later just because I didn't feel like making that much because I was lazy. And now I'm gonna shower because I'm feeling a little gross. My hair's pretty oily. Let's talk about OGX, shall we? I want to share with you guys some of my favorite products from them before I hop in the shower. I get so many questions about how my hair looks the way it looks, and you guys know I don't really use heat on my hair, so that means we're rocking the all-natural look most of the time. It feels so luxurious, especially since salons have been closed. It's been very nice to have a little at-home premium experience. You guys, the fragrances low-key makes me hungry. The ones that I've been using is the Extra Strength, Extra Volume, plus Biotin and Collagen shampoo and conditioner. I'm pretty much halfway through this one already. It just smells so clean and fresh and yummy. You guys know I'm all about smells, so literally take a whiff of that. So good. This one is one of my favorites. It's the OGX Hydration and Sea Kelp Hyaluronic Acid Scrub and Wash. So I use this to obviously wash my body. I've used quite a bit, as you can see. Oh my gosh, smell that. It smells like you're on vacation in Hawaii. OGX offers premium on-trend ingredients for everyone, so there's new ingredients and ingredient combos that just really hit the spot. I've been using these for a bit now. I love them so much, and I think you guys would really like them too. Make sure you guys check out the link in my description. I'm gonna have all of these products down there in links so you guys can shop them. All right, let's shower. It's getting hot. have on a towel. I feel like a whole brand new woman. Period. All right, I am freshly showered. Before anything fun happens here, we've got to get caffeinated. However, we usually make cold brew at my house and it's not brewed, so I'm going to pick up some matcha. That sounds just so good right now. And I need gas. Okay. Full tank, baby. The time has officially come. I'm going to cut my hair, obviously at home. Why not? I haven't had my hair cut in probably like 4 or 5 months, which is like not that big of a deal. And before that, I hadn't like cut it for a year. I usually cut it on my own because I know professionals know what they're doing. I'm just not trying to be botched. And I'm just worried that I'm gonna ask my hairdresser, oh, can I only have 2 inches off? And then she cuts off 5 because she's like, oh, but it was all dead. So that's why I'm cutting my hair myself, because I'm the only person I trust. Thus, we have all the tools. Compared to the last time that I cut my hair for a YouTube video, we've definitely stepped it up a bit because I was just using the same scissors that I had when I was in kindergarten. Here are the scissors. They're nice and sharp. My hair is still a bit damp. I was keeping it up because I wanted it to stay pretty damp. I've been growing out my hair for so long and I love the way it looks. The ends are just very dead, so it's time to say goodbye. Maybe I shouldn't do this in my viewfinder. All right, that's centered enough for me. Maybe I won't use this because I don't know how I'm gonna like move. Here's a before of my hair. It's like down almost to the top of my shorts. It goes down a little bit farther than mid-back. When I have it in front, it definitely covers my boobs. I've been talking about it for a while, but every time I see myself with long hair, it takes me back to my high school days because when I was in high school, I had really long hair. And then I went through this phase where I got hurt by a boy, cut off a good bit of my hair. Here I am in a healthy relationship and I'm not gonna cut off all my hair today. I only wanna get the dead ends off because I'm still trying to grow out my hair because I feel like, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like there's not many older women or middle-aged women with long hair. I feel like it's a young person thing to have longer hair, and trust me when I say this, I cannot rock short hair because when I do, I look like Dora. I love Dora. She's my favorite explorer, but it's just not a look on me because my hair gets very frizzy and it makes my face look a little bit more plump. For now, long hair is just the way to go for me. Will save me cutting 10 inches off of my hair when I'm having like a midlife crisis or something. You can just disregard this next part, but Ava, knowing the way you are, I know you're saying you're gonna cut off 1 inch, but then you're gonna get obsessed with cutting your hair and you're just gonna wanna keep cutting more, and the feeling of cutting hair is very satisfying, so you're gonna wanna keep going. Don't keep going. You're only cutting off 1 inch today, okay? Great. Here I go. Oh, bye. Nice. That was good. That was good. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I kind of want to cut more. That sounds so exciting. Don't do it. Can you no, there's no way. Okay, just stop. Okay, I think I did it. Here is the after. It definitely still is covering my boobs a bit, but it's not like down here like it was before. On my back, it's a little bit higher. It's not really touching my shorts anymore, so I would say it's pretty straight too. I don't really care if it's not straight though, to be honest. That's great. Let's look at the damage. Very minimal. You can see it's just like the little baby ends. I bought myself these cutie little flowers a few days ago. They're just mini pink carnations, and as you can see, I kind of like stuffed some down there, so I kind of want to take those out because I feel like they're suffocating. I feel bad, and I also need to refill the water, so let's go do that. There we go. So I'm trying to figure out which face mask I want to do. My skin is doing, nope, I'm not gonna say that because I'm gonna break out if I say that. I have a couple little breakouts, so maybe I'll do this one. It's the Spirulina Microalgae Kale Spinach Mask. A bunch of things that I do not eat. What is a self-care day without a face mask? All right, there we have it. While my face mask is drying, I'm just gonna finish this little last bit of my matcha. Probably watch an episode of The Vampire Diaries. That sounds good. I've been missing Damon recently. Go off, that face mask was so good. Now that I've done my skincare and stuff, we are going to shave my face. I've previously talked about shaving my face on my channel before. Okay, so I have my little dropper. This is just some niacinamide. You just need something slippery on your face so that the razor can like glide, and try not to use it on super active acne if you have that right now. But I just start from my hairline. Look at that already, it's crazy. And downward strokes. You want to go with the direction of the hair. I usually have a bunch of like hair in this area. There's usually a lot of peach fuzz down here too. Ew! So that side is done. Ew! So now that that's all done, I have these 3 nail polishes, and I don't know which one I want to use. I'm kind of indecisive, so I think I might do this one hand and this the other. I'm rating my nails a 6 out of 10 because I'm feeling nice. Definitely not my best work. It's good enough. Clearly, you guys know what's up if the bikinis are being brought out. I got some new ones recently that I'm so excited to show you guys in an upcoming bikini collection. It actually turned into such a nice day. Let me show you. It got so gorgeous outside. Mother Nature really went off. And I was looking outside after I painted my nails and I was like, I don't want to waste a beautifully gorgeous day because I don't know when it's going to be nice like this again. Just because it's been cloudy the past few days. A sunny day is an excuse for me to go to the beach. So I think Connor and I are going to go catch the sunset. You guys know we do that once a week. It's still only about 3 o'clock right now, so that's the current time. We'll probably end up going around like 5-ish, but I just was very eager to pick out a swimsuit now. I know the title of this video was A Day at Home, but I'm all for living in the moment, and that's what we're gonna do. Very excited to go, and I'm even more excited to bring you guys along with me. Share a little bit of the beauty, and you guys can come along. My desk, my room is quite the mess right now, so I'm gonna spend the next hour or so cleaning it up, getting all fresh and nice, and I'll catch up with you guys when I'm on the road. We just picked up some sushi and we are going to watch the sunset. Imagine I zoom into it and I see someone, I'm like, hi! Day. We just watched the sunset. Rate it 9 out of wait. Rate it out of 10.
10 out of 10. It was good. It was really orange.
It was so pretty. The clouds are all turning colors, except there is a storm on the way now. Like it's literally about to rain.
Yeah, we really left at the right time.
Yeah. Again, thanks to OGX for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. And if you stayed till this point in the video, comment down below sun emojis because it's the right thing to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!